What's up? My name's Emmy. I'm super bored at home in quarantine right now and I want to do something crafty and fun, so today I'm going to be showing you guys how to acid wash or bleach tie-dye a pair of plain cotton shorts like these. You could also do this on a t-shirt, sweatpants, any kind of cotton material that is preferably black or a dark color. Acid washing is a super easy, fun way to really transform a piece of clothing, and you probably have all the supplies you'll need at home already. Okay, I hate long intros, so we're going to get right into it, but first, be sure to give this video a like, maybe subscribe to my channel, and leave a comment if you decide to try this. Without further ado, let's jump right into it. And that's all I have to share today. I hope you enjoy my shorts. I think they're super cute. Be sure to give this video a like, maybe comment down below if you enjoyed it or if you're going to try this at home. Stay safe and healthy in quarantine, and I hope you have a wonderful day. Bye!